Finland is known as the land of 1,000 lakes, with over 180,000 lakes scattered across the country. The official languages of Finland are Finnish and Swedish. Finland was the first European country to grant women the right to vote in 1906. The Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, can be seen in Finland's Lapland region. Finland has a population of around 5.5 million people. Finland is home to the indigenous Sami people, who have inhabited the northern regions for thousands of years. The capital city of Finland is Helsinki. Saunas are a big part of Finnish culture, with over 3 million saunas in the country. Finland has one of the best education systems in the world, with free education for all students. The Finnish people are known for their love of coffee, consuming more coffee per capita than any other country in the world. Finland is one of the least densely populated countries in Europe. The Finnish archipelago is the largest in the world, with over 40,000 islands. The Finnish language is part of the Finno-Ugric language group, which includes Estonian and Hungarian. The traditional Finnish dish of reindeer meat is a delicacy in Lapland. Finland is one of the safest countries in the world, with low crime rates and a high standard of living. Ice hockey is the most popular sport in Finland, with the country producing many NHL players. Finland is known for its beautiful national parks, with over 40 to explore. Finnish design is renowned worldwide, with brands like Marimekko and Itala gaining international recognition. Finland has a strong tradition of music, with famous composers like Jean Sibelius and contemporary artists like Nightwish. The Finnish flag features a blue Nordic cross on a white background. Finland has a rich history of folklore, with tales of mythical creatures like the Puniset and Metsenbaki. The Mummins, created by Finnish author Tove Jansson, are beloved characters in Finland and beyond. Finland is one of the best countries for gender equality, with strong policies to promote women in leadership roles. The midnight sun can be seen in Finland's northern regions during the summer months. Finland is known for its high-quality healthcare system, providing universal healthcare for all citizens. The Finnish sauna tradition dates back over 2,000 years and is deeply ingrained in Finnish culture. Finland is home to Santa Claus, who resides in the Arctic Circle in Lapland. The Finnish government is known for its transparency and lack of corruption. The Finnish welfare state provides social benefits like healthcare, education, and unemployment benefits. Finland is one of the best countries for work-life balance, with shorter work hours and generous vacation time. The Finnish flag carrier airline is Finnair, known for its high-quality service. Finland is a leader in renewable energy, with over 40% of its energy coming from renewable sources. The Finnish education system is based on trust in teachers and a focus on creativity and critical thinking. The Finnish national epic, the Kalevala, is a collection of ancient Finnish myths and legends. Finland has a strong tradition of sauna competitions, where participants endure extreme heat to win. The Finnish concept of sisu refers to determination, resilience, and grit in the face of adversity. Finland has a strong tradition of outdoor activities, with hiking, skiing, and fishing popular among locals. The Finnish national dish is karjalanpirakka, a pastry filled with rice pudding or mashed potatoes. Finland is known for its high-quality public transportation, including trains, buses, and trams. The Finnish archipelago is a popular destination for sailing and boating enthusiasts. Finland has a long history of innovation, with inventions like the heart rate monitor and the ice skates. The Finnish government provides free maternity benefits, including maternity leave and healthcare for pregnant women. The Finnish people are known for their love of nature and spending time outdoors. Finland is one of the best countries for mothers, with generous parental leave and support for working parents. The Finnish forest industry is a major contributor to the country's economy, producing paper, pulp, and timber products. Finland has a strong tradition of arts and culture, with museums, galleries, and theaters in every city. The Finnish people are known for their honesty, integrity, and trustworthiness. Finland has a strong tradition of folk music, with instruments like the kantili and accordion. The Finnish summer cottage, or maki, is a popular retreat for Finns to relax and unwind in nature. Finland is one of the best countries for LGBTQ rights, with legal protections against discrimination and hate crimes. The Finnish government provides free healthcare for all citizens, with a focus on preventive care and wellness. Finland is known for its high-quality food products, including berries, fish, and dairy products. The Finnish education system has a strong emphasis on vocational training and job readiness. The Finnish people are known for their love of sports, with activities like cross-country skiing, ice skating, and ice fishing popular in winter. Finland is one of the best countries for new parents, with generous parental leave and support for families. The Finnish parliament is known for its gender equality, with a high percentage of women in leadership positions. Finland is one of the best countries for healthcare, with high-quality medical facilities and a focus on preventative care. The Finnish national flower is the lily of the valley. Finland is known for its high-quality design products, including furniture, textiles, and glassware. The Finnish government provides free education for all students, including university tuition. Finland has a strong tradition of literature, with famous authors like Juhani Aho, Mika Waltari, and Arto Pasilina. The Finnish people are known for their love of sauna, with over 3 million saunas in the country. Finland is one of the best countries for gender equality, with strong policies to promote women in leadership roles. The Finnish national dish is karjalanpirakka, a pastry filled with rice pudding or mashed potatoes. Ice hockey is the most popular sport in Finland, with the country producing many NHL players.